Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Grown Guitar. We have WRLD here, maybe for the first time, not sure. I listened to the songs before many times, but I don't know if I brought it up here on Grown Guitar. Anyway, Sometimes, a great song here from WRLD. And we need to set our capo here on the 1st fret. You could do it in different ways. You can have capo on 3rd and so on. I believe this is the best way because we will bring up some notes here. The main notes that are highlighted in the background. You will get that in the easiest way with the capo on 1st and the chords we're gonna have for that one. So let's start with the chords. We have first D. Alright, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord will be a variation here of C sharp minor. Alright, but we will not bar like we usually do here for C sharp's chord. So you will just have the bass note there, 4th on A, then 6 on D, 6 on G, 5th on B, and open E. And the reason for we'll not use the bar here is because we want to highlight the notes here. The 5th B, which is the same note as the open E. So you are free to just do the strumming there and get the notes highlighted. Alright, and the final chord will be B minor. This one you bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so the chord progression here for the song will be D to C sharp, to B minor, and back to C sharp. So okay, and the notes we want to highlight for each and every chord is on D, the 2nd fret E string. Okay, and then for the C sharp, we already mentioned that. It's the B and the E string, which is the same note there. Okay, and for the B minor, we have again the 2nd fret E string in the bottom there, which is the note we want to highlight. Okay, so just have that with you when you do the strumming. So the strumming is the challenge here for this one. You need to have the right timing here in the switches. So we'll go over it. For D first, you're gonna play down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up, and then you switch to the C sharp. Okay, and you will play up, down, down, up, up. So up, down, down, up, up. Okay, so to get these two chords together, it will be down, 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 up, down, down, up, up. And that is actually one long strumming pattern, these two chords. So think pair of chords here. D to the C sharp is one kind of strumming around. And then we'll play same strumming around here for B minor and back to C sharp. But the break will be in different parts there. So after you play this C sharp, up, down, down, up, up, you switch to the B minor and play down, 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 up, as you did for D, but you will play also the first up downs from the C sharp here on B minor, if that makes sense, okay? So the B minor part will be down, 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 up, down. Okay, so again, down, 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 up, down. And then you quickly change back to the C sharp and play the last part which is down, up, up. And that will be one strumming round for the last two chords, and that will actually be the full chord progression there. So just to repeat the last B minor C sharp chord here, it will be down, 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 up, and that's it. So I'm gonna take you through one chord progression here slowly from the beginning to end. So let's go. Yeah, and with some speed there, it will sound something like this. And so on. So that is Juice WRLD's Sometimes. Cool song there. Good luck with the chords and strumming. The strumming will be the challenge here to get the timing right and the rhythm, but yeah, otherwise pretty plain and simple. So good luck, everyone, and see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.